Meaning of inboard.
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 Inboard. The word inboard is an adjective used to describe something that is located within or towards the center of a vehicle or a vessel, as opposed to being on the outside or periphery. For example, an inboard motor is one that is mounted inside the hull of a boat instead of being attached to the outside. Inboard engines are typically used for larger boats and provide increased stability and safety. In addition to boats, the term inboard can also be applied to other vehicles such as airplanes and motorcycles, where it refers to components that are located within the body of the vehicle.